Welcome to Cyber. I am your virtual assistant. A decentralized knowledge graph is needed for the following reasons. Freedom of information. It is harder to block or censor data. Fairness and independence. Various users from around the world can contribute to the knowledge graph, making it more fair and independent from informational manipulation. Immutability. Data cannot be altered or forged because it is distributed across many nodes. Even if one or several nodes go offline, the information is still preserved on many other nodes. Provable data integrity. The decentralized nature ensures that data integrity can be verified, providing a high level of trust in the information stored. Reliability. If one server fails, others will continue to operate. Security. It is harder to hack or steal data because it is stored on many servers. Scalability. The system is easier to scale by adding new servers. Fast updates. Data is updated faster as changes are synchronized between servers. In conclusion, a decentralized knowledge graph is more resilient, secure, and flexible, with enhanced data integrity. The learning session has ended. Sleep mode activated.